Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 6, name of the unit is Verbs. So, in this chapter, I told you, means I explained about what? Verbs, kinds of verbs. Main verb, auxiliary verb, non-finite verb, linking verb. And yesterday I have explained what? Transitive verbs and one exercise. Now today I explain what? Intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? So here given the definition. Verbs that do not need any object to make complete sense are known as intransitive verbs. Here given the example. The guards arrived late. John is a good student. Here see, the guard is subject, arrived verb, and late adverb. No object is needed to complete sense in intransitive verb. Here also John is a good student. Here good student is a complement, not given as object. Intransitive verbs do not require any object. So this is the intransitive verb, how we formed it. One more example. Sarita is ill. Sarita is ill. So here Sarita used as subject, is verb, and ill is adverb. So not use the object. If you find any object, how? With asking the question with what, and you get the answer of this question, then you say that this is the object or object of a sentence. But in intransitive verb, we do not need to use any objective to complete the sense. Now here in intransitive verbs there are two subtypes. Intransitive verbs are of two types. The first one is verbs of action, and the second is verbs of being. In first verb of action, we say that the verb use. Which verb we use? Main verb. Just like arrive, complain, cry, get, sell, smile, fall, rise, sleep, and so on. We see here the first word here, arrive, is use. It's a verb of action. We can say verb of action. Main verb is use in the sentence. And in the second sentence we say, see, to be formed, verb of being. Verb of being is to be formed. Which to be formed? Is, am, are. And was, were. Is, am, are, was, were, and the word become we use in verb of being. Okay? Let's see the exercise. Here given the exercise. See, underline the verb of being and circle circle the verb of action. We underline the verb of being and circle the verb of action in the following sentences. Here given the 12 sentences. Let's see. See the first sentence. Here, my elder brother is a scientist. My elder brother is a scientist. Here what we use, see in the sentence, if you find verb of being, which to be form, is, am, are, was and were, out of this 5 to be form and the word become, you find in a sentence, that we say that it's a verb of being. So what we do, we find the verb of being, we underline it. Which word here use this is word? So we underline the word is in the first sentence. Now comes to second. He works in a big laboratory. In the second sentence, we do not see the to be form, present to be form and past to be form. After this he, the subject, the pronoun here used he, then we see the word works. So we circle the verb of action we can say. So circle around the word works. It's a verb of action. He works in a big laboratory. Now third sentence. His friends Santanu and Ab won the same scholarship. See the pronoun his friends, talking about his friends, name given Santanu and Ab. After that the word used won. This won is a past participle of past verb of win. Both are same, past form and past participle both are same. Won, we can say won. So these two won the same scholarship. So won is the verb of action. In the fourth, the sentence, we were very happy when we heard the news. In the fourth sentence, we find this see to be form were. So we underline the word were. But in the same sentence, after, this is the joining sentence when. We were very happy when we heard. So this heard is the word of action. Verb. Now number 5. Rasim received a scholarship for higher studies. So here in the fifth, after the noun is used Rasim, it's a verb used received. It's a verb of action. Receiving, that action has done. Received. Now number 6. Hearing the news of her success. It's a total sentence. Hearing the news of her success, Rasim's mother felt very happy. It's a comma, then sentence start. Rasim's mother felt very happy. So here felt is the verb of action. Feel, past form, felt. Number 7. Charles Dickens is the author of David Copperfield. So here which word is used? See, to be form, is. So you underline the word is. Now number 8. Radha broke the vase. Here which word to be form is not used, only the main verb is used, broke. So underline the word broke. It's a past form of present form break. Radha broke the vase. Now number 9. She has been playing with the doll all day. So here verb is used. Which verb? See, this. playing, playing, has been playing, underline, action is done, playing. She has been playing. If you find this verb with to be form also, that is called verb of action. Has been playing, circle it, it's a action. Number 10, I hope she is well. I hope she is well. So here the verb is used is only. Is. She is well. Is a verb of being. 11. He has grown so tall. So here the verb is has grown is used. Circle it. Verb of action. It's now number 10, last one. I must have imagined it. I must have imagined it. So here imagine, it's a verb of action, and must is given the verb of being. So these are the exercise of intransitive verb. I hope you understand about this exercise. Verb of being and verb of action. Thank you.